as we reported, California is struggling with two enormous fires simultaneously. They're being driven by high winds, high temperatures, and a pervasive drought. But as William Brangham reports, you can find these extreme conditions throughout the American West and in much of northern and western Europe, causing many to point the finger squarely at climate change.
Earth, a place where incredible creatures roam, a place where sunlight and rain create growth, a place where we breathe oxygen, a beautiful, fascinating world that we're constantly trying to discover more about. But we aren't taking care of it like we should, and soon the Earth in turn will fail to take care of us.
Earth is facing severe effects of the pollution we've created and will inevitably continue to do so. Sustaining human life will soon be impossible with our current genetics and environmental disposition. And so in the year 2076, we will attempt the first phase of space civilization, so that the human race can survive without Earth.
We came to the conclusion that it would be most suitable to create a temporary living area and eventually arrive on another planet. The whole settlement would be designed to last up to 150 to 200 years, while the researchers wander space. That's how we plan to find and research the most suitable planet for humans to colonize. We will follow the high Earth orbit, which is about 36,000 kilometers from Earth's surface, so that we can follow the same hours in a day and still have Earth's gravitational pull. There will be 7 ships that make the whole settlement, as well as about 4 miniature ships that researchers will use to explore other environments. We have created the settlement to hold up to 6.53 billion people in total. We will start by sending 7 ships into space, each one containing approximately 1 billion people.
When all of the 7 ships have been launched, we will then begin the docking phase. This is when they will merge together, forming a hexagon shape. When all ships are docked, the new living spaces will be introduced to the passengers. Each ship will be 787,500,000,000 square feet. After docking into a hexagon shape, it will be 2,362,500,000,000 square feet from one side to the other.
Before launch, everyone, including families, will be assigned a living space. These living spaces will be called living dens. They will be 500 square feet each. There will be 2.5 billion living dens for 4 people in each, not including pets. Each one will have a bathroom, 2 bunk beds, and a kitchen. While there will be 4 floors dedicated to living space, we'll have entire floors dedicated to other sustainability. Other sustainability includes gardening, water filtration, fitness, researching, medical, child development, and schooling, and social centers. Most of these areas require gravity for happy, healthy living. For this, each ship will achieve artificial gravity by the rings that populate the ship, creating outer edge gravity from centripetal force. To maintain a healthy amount of gravity to sustain human life, we'll need to be completing 1.93 rotations per minute while traveling and 1.21 rotations per minute when in the hexagon joint phase. As for sustainability, we will bring about 50 years of water supply while constantly filtrating body fluids to decrease the chance of running out of water. On the gardening floor, we will have stocked a large aquaponic garden to stock our ship with food. And in it will be water filtration systems as well. The settlement will be solar powered for lighting and movement, with small increments of rocket fuel when necessary in dark travel. Shelter from radiation will be provided by insulating the walls with water, because they absorb radiation and provide a great water storage option. All these floors per ship will be 312,500,000,000 square feet wide. While traveling, we intend to sample and test environments on planets such as Mars or Kepler 442b, which is a dwarf planet that no one's really heard much about. The purpose of our settlement is to provide safe living environment for humans and to find an ideal environment to live in, and that's just what we'll do.